Today I'm going to tell you so many interesting things. Do you also wonder how bees make honey and why do we get allergies? So let's find out. First is, how do bees make honey? It's very simple. Bees, they collect pollen from the flowers and the flowers grow more pollen. The bees take the pollen to honey hive, where their home. They take to hive and turn it into some honey. They turn it into. People are very careful. They take out some honey for them to eat and they leave enough honey for the bees to last in the winter. Isn't that cool, friends? So let's go to the next topic. Let's see. What if the earth spins backwards? You know, now the earth is spinning forwards. But what if it spins backwards? That will be very simple. Look, if earth spins backwards, that time the clouds will go on the side that look, if earth spins backward, that time the side that used to be sun shining will turn night, and the side that used to be night will turn sun shining. So everything will go opposite. And the next question, why do we have allergies? It's very simple. Allergies, you see, allergies is when our body reacts to a thing that is not harmful, and that thing can cause allergies. It's the way of our bodies trying to force it out of our body by sneezing. Some people are allergic to dust, some are allergic to fruits or certain vegetables. Next question, what if all the world's ice melted? This is easy. If all the world's ice melted, that time the water level will be higher, increasing higher to high. That's why the ice is still here. Then there will be zero ice and more water. The ice will be all melted. So ice forms water when they melt. So they turn into water and the water will rise up. They'll rise and ships can't even sail on that level of water. It's level of water that we can do in a ginormous bathtub. That would be very funny. And next question, black hole. Do you know how a black hole is born? It's very simple. A black hole is born when a star explodes. When its coal runs out of fuel, that time the coal can't let the star live for more longer time. So it explodes and dies. Then when it doesn't explode fully, a mini black hole is born inside it. It eats up everything left in the star. Before the star even notices that this is happening, it explodes. That turns lots of energy that black hole gets, and then it gets so much energy, even more than the sun can create in its whole lifetime. Isn't that crazy, friends? Let's see. The next question, why do we have allergies? That's done. So, layers of earth. Look, we walk on the earth's crust. We walk on it because they have rocks, tectonic plates that are moving very slowly water and the coal. Finally, the coal is the hottest part. It's the center of the earth. This part, look, this is the earth. So this part of the earth is very hot. The earth's center is the hottest place. Do you know what's a star? It's dust of space. Look, it's a gas mixed with dust. We mix dust in the gas and then it makes one large amount of a special gas that turns into a straw. When the center of the gas is very shining, that time it forms a star. Sometimes even star loses fuel, and someday even our sun will lose the fuel, but it's okay, friends. No need to worry. It won't happen before thousands years. The next question is, what if the ocean disappears? If the ocean disappears, then we'll also disappear because we only get lost with water. Won't be even a single drop of water. We'll be thirsty. We won't have even a single drop of water. Many people found viruses inside water, and even they found plastic bags and garbage in it due to pollution that can harm the ocean animals. A jellyfish can accidentally tie it around its neck and die. Even big blue whales die due to thinking the plastic bags are jellyfish and eating them. Many people found garbage inside cow's stomach and even whale's stomach. That's why we should be very careful. We should always respect Mother Earth. Mother Earth is the home for us. So we should also protect it from pollution. The people are making earth dirty. That's why this all is happening. So let's go to the next question. Yay! Look, electricity. Do you know how electricity is made? I don't think so. Electricity, it's made in 3 different ways. One is a windmill. It takes the air and spins round, and then the electricity comes. It creates electricity, and then by wires it comes into our house and charges up our TV, our light, our phone, many things. And sometimes it can also be by solar panels. Solar panel is a big sheet with squares, and those they take all the sun's light. They take it and turn it into electricity. Gravity. That's how we can walk on the earth. Gravity. When we throw a ball into the air, it lands due to gravity pulling it to the ground. If there was zero gravity, a house would be floating, and even we will be floating into the air. Our cupboard will be floating, everything will be floating. There is zero gravity in space. That's right. There is zero gravity. So astronauts usually float in rockets, here to there. That's why in rockets there are boxes where each item is packed. If an astronaut pulls one out and doesn't leave it in the place where it was kept, then it will be floating into the air everywhere. So that's gravity. This is the end of the video.